2020 WRX Subaru. Look at that, 2020. Really beautiful car. One of my favorite colors, the blue. There's factory converters there, secondary converter there. Then we did a resonator delete right there. Then 2.5 inch pipe all the way back, and it had 2-inch rear pipes, which I'll show you guys over there in a second. We deleted it and put 2.5 inch wide pipe, 2.5 inch tailpipes on this side and this side, and then quad tips, 3.5 inch on each side, there and there, burnt. You guys will see a link in the description for them. There and there. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off, right there and right there. Look at that small Y. It's a turbo and they put this on it. I don't know why they did that. That's crazy. So we opened it up and there's the little resonator. It's so cute. Right there. This is what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please subscribe. Everybody says, I say subscribe. Subscribe. Thanks. Much better. Subaru WRX. There's sound decibels again. 111. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it up. Sexy blue. That sounds really nice. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. I think it sounds phenomenal. Let you guys hear on the inside.